Before alarm clocks existed, oversleeping could cost a person their job. Factories opened early. Very early. And workers had no reliable way to wake up in the dark hours before sunrise. So in many industrial towns, people paid someone to wake them. Every morning, a figure walked through the silent streets, carrying a long stick. Sometimes a bamboo pole. Sometimes a small hammer. They stopped outside specific houses and tapped gently on bedroom windows. These people were called knocker-uppers. They worked when everyone else was asleep. Winter mornings were the hardest. The streets were cold and empty. Gas lamps flickered. And one by one, windows lit up as workers woke for the day. The knocker-upper did not leave until the person inside was fully awake. If there was no movement, they knocked again. Sometimes for several minutes. They were paid only a few coins a week. But they were trusted. Entire neighborhoods depended on them. If you enjoy discovering how ordinary life once worked, this is exactly why I make these stories. I search for the small details history almost forgets. You can subscribe and return whenever you want another one. Many knocker-uppers developed their own methods. Some used pea shooters to tap upper windows. Others carried ladders. They memorized every client, every shift time. And people relied on them more than any clock. Because early alarm clocks were expensive and often unreliable, a person might sleep through them, but not through a knock on glass. This job continued into the early 20th century. Only when affordable alarm clocks became common did the knocker-uppers slowly disappear. No ceremony marked their end. No monument recorded their work. Yet for decades, every working morning began with the sound of a human hand gently calling someone back to the day. I'll bring you another forgotten story soon.